Howdy. Yesterday the well was cleaned. Today I mounted this kind of hand pump, which can be used also when it's frosty. So we have now a water supply which doesn't relate on electricity, which is a very cool thing. And I stumbled across some, what are they called? Windows, when you have windows of some things open in your phone. And I have quite some web pages open in my phone, so I try to somehow get rid of them. All kinds of things. Weather and whatever, geology and articles and papers and all these kinds of things. And there was one which I didn't really remember why it was there. It is mind.org. Nigardsbrain, Luster, Westland, Norway. And there's a map, and there's somewhere this. That's a little bit hard to navigate when it's in this horizontal, whatever thing it is. Here, this might relate to quick clay. I don't know. Like, you have no idea how many times I forget to show things while doing a video, and in recent times I noticed they get longer and longer, my videos. So there's some overlefts. Can we click on that? Yes, we can. Does anything happen? Yes. Does it work? Where is it? Now we came back here. Can we zoom in? Okay, we can zoom. That's okay. The quality isn't probably the best. There's a bridge. And you can climb up there, obviously. And there's a glacier ending just behind that hill or something. And this might be this Nigra. What is it? Now I made a mistake. We have to switch to desktop site. This might work better in this. No, the map is taking the whole picture. That's mean. But anyway, glacier, Nigardsbrain. It is obviously Norway. Glacier. And this is mined that, where people are mining stuff. Single crystals of ice to 40 centimeters were found at the bottom of this glacier in the 1950s. That's quite big. 40 centimeters, single crystal of ice. Mineral list, filter mineral list. One valid mineral, ice. I didn't knew that ice is a mineral. If ice is a mineral, according to this mind.org, then it gets even more interesting when I somehow think that glaciers would be contemporary lava streams made of water, ice. So it is a mineral, like all the other minerals too. Every lava stream is made of minerals and stuff, If ice is really a mineral, then contemporary lava streams made out of water, frozen water, ice would be, very interesting to think about. But we have to click on that, actually. Ice, I think. Because there was something very interesting. I mean, this picture of this snowflake, that's just amazing. Look at that. Nature. That's pure nature. 100% nature. That's also one thing. If you see, now this just came to my mind. So it it wasn't in the script. I've never had any script. But anyway, we are entering Christmas. It's obviously colder outside. And the theme of snow might be bigger in the news. There has been some snowfall in America. Maybe you have heard of that. Buffalo. Yeah, maybe I will put a link below to a video which is called Buffalo Charge. I think it's funny. Check it out. Just came also to my mind. But this is hexagonal. It has six. Well, maybe the streamers are easier to draw. Six streamers. And there is also this kind of where we have five. So if you see some repetitive pattern somewhere, I think it's just like that. If it has six peaks or edges, it refers to natural occurrences, natural geometry, sacred geometry, Platonic solids and such. If it's one with five peaks or edges or however you want to call it, it has probably more to do with mythology, religion, history, and these kind of things. But that might be totally wrong, after all. So we have to go down somewhere. There is like interesting stuff written here. Stable as a solid under 0 degrees at standard atmospheric pressure. And since many people are talking about the new normal, probably have to adjust the standard atmospheric pressure as well soon too. I don't know. But I just try to say that water, and I think they're just talking about H2O, nothing else included. No minerals or whatsoever other stuff, metals, and If you will mix it, this 0 degrees Celsius might differ. There might be slight fluctuations in that. There are many different structural varieties of ice, although the standard form found on Earth is it a YIH, hexagonal ice as described here. Easy water, Gerard Pollack, for example. It is now confirmed that water ice is also extraterrestrial, occurring on the Moon, Mars, and most likely Mercury. Long suggested to occur in comets, it was spotted on the surface of the 67P Churyumov-Gerasimenko comet. Low temperature ordering of water in opal into ice-like structure, in particular to its cubic modification, is described by Eckert et al. 2015. Physical properties of ice, optical data of ice, chemical properties of ice, crystallography of ice. There's all kinds of things. And this is something very fascinating. If you align it like that, we cannot scroll anymore. I got stuck once again. Yeah, I spoiled the whole thing. This would be much easier to do with a computer, with a mouse. Just go there and do stuff. But anyway, I'm not complaining. You can do it at home. Do it yourself. But anyway, if you look at this is charility, I think. It's the mirror image of the other, Probably. Charility. But if you move that, it turns out that they are like, Yeah, it's possible. Now it works. Check it out. There's like those three dots floating around. And I'm not too sure what does that mean. Maybe there's just the next one docking there. There would be a ball and it would continue. Maybe, I don't know. But I found this very interesting. If you align them properly, it looks like that. And then you just turn it around and you just see there's like, that's very fascinating. And that's basically the whole thing. What I just wanted to show you. That picture, but you can move around and check it out. That's ice, obviously. Yeah. Winter is coming. Glaciers are very interesting. Water is very important. Thanks. Bye.